I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, and today I want to show you how I make maple shower steamers and how I bundle them with maple soap's lip balms for a perfect fall gift. So what you'll need to make these maple shower steamers is your baking soda, and you can get that anywhere from a local grocery store, white kaolin clay, or you could use pink kaolin clay, and that'll add, you wouldn't have to use any mica. And the mica I'm using is copper sparkle mica, and this is from Brambleberry, but I'll leave a link for other micas you can get in the description box below. Racing stripe orange mica, your poly 80, which is really important to help all the colors and everything go right down the drain. Your citric acid, and this is perfect. This really helps with the fizz and the foam reaction. And then I have my oil. So this here is a orange, cinnamon, and clove, and it's a natural fragrance oil, or natural essential oil is what it is. And then this is a vanilla bean noel, so it's like a Christmas fragrance. And so this adds the vanilla and the cinnamon, like a maple scent. And you could also get red leaf maple from Wholesale Supplies Plus. That's another fragrance that works really well. You need a couple of strainers, and of course you want to use your bowls. I use a big mixing bowl because it's my KitchenAid. And then I just use this as a strainer for the citric acid, couple measuring bowls or cups, and your spatulas. I use a teaspoon or half a teaspoon and a couple of these. This one is to break up the baking soda. It's a hard spoon. And then this is the mold I'm going to be using. So it's a maple leaf mold. And you could use a pumpkin one, which would be really nice. It's a different one, but it also works for the maple scent. You could do a pumpkin spice. So that's another idea. If the baking soda, and you want to make sure you do that so it doesn't have any clumps and things like that, and it's easier to actually mold and makes a better shower steamer. And then I'm going to add the wet ingredients slowly while mixing it into the dry ingredients. And then once that's done, I'm going to slowly add the citric acid, and I get that nice and fully blended. I'm going to do a test to make sure that it actually holds together, clumps together better. And you want to use 91% rubbing alcohol. You can use witch hazel, but my recipe is for this one here. After you're done testing it, if it doesn't hold together very well, you can just spray in a little bit more of the rubbing alcohol or witch hazel. So when you have the shower steamer, the texture should feel like damp sand that holds together when squeezed. So if you're making these to sell or to give as gifts, let them dry overnight before packaging to keep them firm, lasting longer. So I just basically fill each mold just a little bit, and then I come back and do a little bit more. This is the most important one. That's the maple. So I'll do a few extra of those. So you're just pressing it right in like this. Very easy to do. And these are roughly about 2 ounces. They might be a little bit less, but it's going in a gift set. And even if I did like a pack, like I did a pack of, I think I sold them as a pack of 4. And then you just weigh them and put your weight on there if you're selling it. But if you're making it for a gift, you don't have to worry about that. Makes it nice and easy. So then you just want to press it in with your thumbs. And I'm going to do all of these, but I just want to show you this one right here. So I'm going to take the cutting board, flip it over. So, take a spoon, if it hasn't released, and just tap it, lift it off, and there you go. There's your ginkgo, the elm, there's your maple, and the oak. And I'll show you in the next step how I paint them. going to show you the packaging and the demo how I do this. And I have everything all set together. So I use a soap, I get a couple lip balms, the shower steamers, and I use beautiful packaging that I get from Paper Mart, but you can also get this on Amazon. So the first thing I do is I put the label on because it just makes it easier. Get everything all set. And I just put my stickers on the back here for the ingredients. That's done. This takes a little finagling, but once you, and this is packed. This is definitely a packed gift set, but people just love the scent of maple. It gives a nice cozy feeling, and it's such a popular gift. So I do this every year, and I will probably, like next year, I'll just change out the soaps. I have some pumpkin spice that I can put in there. So I have my little soap like that with a little maple cut out, and I do have a tool that I use to actually make that cut out. If you make bath products, bundling is one of the easiest ways to increase sales and make your products gift ready. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. So these are some that I've already finished, and that's what it looks like. I have the raspberry there, the maple, the shower steamers, the 2 soaps, and the coffee. And it's pretty heavy. It's like 12.5, so it's pretty good. And then on the back, that's why you put these on first, because they do crinkle. And it looks good. There you go. Nice fall gift for the fall gift giving season. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps to get it out there in the YouTube algorithm. And if you're interested in making other aromatherapy, shower steamers, or citrus, or even sinus relieving ones, I have a playlist that I'll leave here. If you love making DIY aromatherapy skincare products, or just natural skincare products, and I'm offering a free weekly newsletter where I share tips and ideas and recipes, other knowledge that I don't share anywhere else. So I'll leave a link in the description box below if you're interested. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends, and hope you enjoy the video and join my wellness community.